Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Be ready to leave. Indian students in Ukraine's Sumy told by embassy. For Indian students from Ukraine, Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik's letter to PM sought the centre's intervention to let the students get back to their medical courses from the stage their education was disrupted due to the Ukraine war. Mukul Arya, India's Palestine envoy, found dead at Indian mission. Moment of Eureka for you, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said on Planetarium project launch. The Cosmos Planetarium will offer data which can be used by young scientists for future learning. PM Modi on Sunday dedicated 150 electric buses for public transport in Maharashtra's Pune. Now some international news. We will blow it up. Russian warplanes are bombing the villages and towns surrounding Kyiv. Everyone doing everything. Poland opens doors for Ukraine refugees. Over 4,300 detained during Sunday protest across Russia over Ukraine war. Queen Elizabeth II chooses Windsor Castle as her permanent home. Russia warns countries against hosting Ukraine military aircraft. And now some sports news. Ravindra Jadeja stars with bat and ball as India inflict innings defeat on Sri Lanka in first test. Kevin De Bruyne, Riyad Mahrez star as Manchester City thrash Manchester United in derby clash. Ricky Ponting paid a tearful tribute to former teammate Shane Warne. Arsenal defeated Watford 3-2 in the Premier League on Sunday. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.